Now this is cool. After the paintwork was all done, I grabbed my son Brody, we put the car in the booth, masked it up, and I was able to show him how we're using our new second skin undercoating on this car. So I'm teaching Brody how to do the undercoating so that way he can take over. Make sure you get a hand underneath it too.
I'm getting there.
Okay. Why is your arm shaking?
Because it's 100 pounds.
Dude, your face is the color of the car.
That's not 100 pounds. The reason you're shaking like that is because you're like your old man. You guys don't work out. You don't take care of your bodies, your vessels. This is a temple, man. You can't defile your temple every day with alcohol and snacks all the time and not work out. Okay, coincidentally, just to show, I work out 3 days a week. This is a bucket of undercoating right here. All right, it's about 25 pounds. All right, you see me go like this here. There's no shaking. There's no nothing. It's nice little simple pour. Nice little simple pour. It's nothing, okay? Doesn't weigh anything.
This is ridiculous, folks. I'm sorry you have to see this. Mark throwing that bucket around like it's heavy. There's nothing in it at all. That's just another way for him to make me look bad.
Like that, Mary? Huh?
Is that enough?
No, it's not a full bottle. At the end of the day, it's not about how much Mark can lift or how much Brody can lift. We're trying to show you guys how to undercoat a car. So this system we're using now is a little bit different than what we used before. The stuff we used before was very simple to use because it was in a drum, had a pump, you just rolled it in and sprayed. The problem was we weren't really happy with the finished product with that system we were using. With the second skin system, we're going to get a pump and get a whole setup for it. We don't have that yet, but the finish is a lot better. It's got an overall just the look we're looking for. And this stuff dries up like a rock.
So you have to move kind of fast?
No, not really. It's a lot more rigid than the other stuff we used to use. So the old system worked great. It looked good, did its part. The only problem we had with it is it takes forever to dry. It stays wet for too long. So if you put a car back on a lift, it would kind of smear a little bit. Where our new system, after like 2 days, it's hard as a rock. This, you can't smear or anything once it sets up. All right, we need more.
Let the record show that he brought this in on a dolly because he couldn't lift it, so I'm over here lifting it by myself. Just put that out there.
Hey, it's getting lighter though, right?
Nope. What if we took the lid off and you just scoop it out?
So Brody and I will spend like the next hour getting all fine tuning all the little stuff and whatnot. Let this car sit overnight, unmask it, and then we take it over to assembly. It'll be dry, hard as a rock, and the stuff works great. So with this system, we actually put 2 coats on to make sure it has great coverage. So with this, it sets up great. It's got a great look when it's dry, and it's hard as a rock.
When choosing Spectrum liquid noise and vibration undercoating and interior coating, you have multiple options. We offer the 1 gallon, which will cover 20 square foot at the 2 1mm coats minimum required for $99.99. We offer the 5 gallon, which will cover 100 square foot at the 2 1mm minimum coats for $389.99. We also offer it in spray kits, where we give you the spray gun that's used on a air compressor in multiple options: 40 square foot, 60 square foot, 100 square foot, and 200 square foot. The more you buy, the savings gets better, starting off at $219.99, going up to $739.99. You can also add on the wire tape and plaster wrap. The plaster wrap is great for covering up the areas you don't want material to get onto. The wire trim is great for making exact lines for very detailed work. We do now offer the 55-gallon drum of the Spectrum liquid sound deadening for those large projects. It does come on a pallet. When we shipped LTL freight, we can ship up to 4 of these on one pallet. They're $3,450, and you do need an airless sprayer for this. You can check out the instruction sheet for both spraying methods, brush method, and roll-on method, and it has the guns that you need to order either from us or for Titan in the instructions. Also, there is a spec sheet that shows you the data of the material if you have any questions. Thank you for choosing Second Skin.